How to randomize chatbot responses. This is what I'm going to cover inside of this video today, so let's get to it. So the way to randomize responses can be done in two different ways, and one is only for pro accounts inside of Chatrace, and the other one can be used on free accounts as well, and it's even easier in setup. So I will show you both methods so you can have a clear view, but using the free method called Spintax is by far the most simplest one to randomize the responses that a chatbot will give out. So first of all, let's cover the first part of the pro version. So the way to do this is by going to a split traffic. So basically a randomizer, and you can randomize responses. So let's create 3 and let's make the total 100%. So there we go. And let's say, okay, we are going to give this the starting step. And let's say we are going to say something like, hi, how are you doing? And then from there, we're going to duplicate this, and then we're going to customize the response a little bit. And let's say, hey, how are you? And then one more response could be, something like, hello, how was your day? Now you can set up as many split tests and randomizers as you want to with split traffic, but this version can only be used on pro accounts. So when we test this, so let's preview this and let's go to Facebook Messenger, you will see, hey, how are you? So it will get the middle one. So if we do it another time, we will see, hello, how was your day? And if we do it one more time, let's see if we get the third one as well. Hi, how are you doing? Right, so this is a way to randomize responses. And it is pretty easy to set up, but it can also be time consuming. So the way you can actually do this on the free account as well with Chatrace is using Spintax. And it works as following. So if we have a block, we can combine all these different variations and even more inside one single text block, and it works like this. So we're going to add content, and then we are going to open with a curly bracket. This opens the custom variables list, but we don't need it for now. So let's begin with just stating hi. Then we will need the pipeline character to give another answer, another response. So another response was hey, and another response on the third one was hello. And now I want to close these variations off. So these are the variations for the greeting. So now the next 3 will be how are you doing, how are you, and how was your day. So again, we are just going to open with a curly bracket and then say how are you doing, and then do a pipeline character, and then we are going with how are you, pipeline character, and the last one was how was your day. And then we're going to close off with a bracket again. So this exact same block replaces all this randomizer, this split traffic, and all these 3 text blocks. So let's see if this works, right? So let's publish it, and then let's preview the block itself. So let's see what we get. Hi, how are you doing? And let's do another one. Hi, how are you doing? You will see that I will get the, the first one every single time now. So, hello, how are you? So you can see hello, and then you get the second variable inside the next part of the Spintax. So let's do another one. Hey, how are you doing? So you will get the middle part of here, and then the last part, the first part of the Spintax on the second variables. And I can keep going on and on. You can see, hi, how are you? So this Spintax replaces this entire setup. And this is on the pro account, this is on the free account, so this is even easier to use. And you do not have to set up this entire block. So we can actually just say, this will be the starting step, and we will delete this entire section. And now we have replaced this. There is a side note, and I do not know how many characters in total. If I know, I will put it inside one of the comments below the video. But there is a limit to the amount of characters. So it could be that if you have a long custom sentence, that you will exceed the character limit. So I will try to find out how exactly how much the character limit is, and I will put it down in the comment section of this video itself. But as you can see, it's really easy to use Spintax, right? So if you want to use custom variables inside of Spintax, that's also possible. Well, you will need to do the following. So soon as you open with a curly bracket, you will see that you open up the list of custom variables. So if we do this, so first name, and I want to do a pipeline character, and then do full name, right? This will not work. So if we preview this, and if we take a look, you will see that you will get the first name and the full name in total. And the reason for this is because we are just using the variables. So if you want to randomize this, the thing you basically need to do is, so you need to open with a curly bracket, do a space, and then do another curly bracket with the variables, and then the pipeline character, and then you can do the next variable, so full, and then close off with another closing bracket. If we preview it now, you will see we will get only the first name, and if we do it again, hopefully it randomizes, and we will get the last name. So this is the way you can use Spintax, and it's really simple to use. So you have an open and closing curly bracket, right? And inside you have all kinds of variables. So you can say hi, you can say everything, anything you like. If you want to put in a new variation, a new response, you will just insert the pipeline character and then do the next response, and then a pipeline character, and then the second response, or the third response. And again, there is a character limit. I do not know precisely what it is, but this will help you randomize responses inside your chatbot really easily, and also with a free account. So I hope this video helped you into figuring out how to customize responses. If it did, consider dropping a like, because it really will help me out. And if you did not subscribe to the channel yet, consider doing so as well, and then afterwards press the bell icon to get notifications soon as a new video goes live. So for now, have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll talk to you guys soon.